what about number 1? What'd y'all get for your first? 3u times u. 3u squared. There you go. What about for your outer? 6u. And then your inner? Yeah. And your last? 14. There you go. And if you do it right every single time, these guys will combine. What's 6 plus 7? 13. There you go. All right. What about number 3? What'd you get for your first? 8q squared. Yeah. And then your outer? Yeah, negative 2q. There you go. And your inner? Yeah, there you go. Be careful on your last. What's negative 1 times negative 1? Positive 1. There you go. And if you do it right, negative 2 minus 4, be careful. How much is that? Negative 6. Perfect. Good job. All right. What about number 4? What's h times h? H squared. And then your outer, negative 7h. And your inner, yep. And your last, negative 49. If you do it right, those two will combine. What's negative 7 plus 7? 0. Do you have to write the 0? No, because you've got this other stuff right there next to it. All right, last one, number 5. Here we go. What's your first? Y squared. What's your outer? 1y. What's your inner? Yeah. And then your last, be careful. Perfect. And then what's 1 minus 1? 0. So it's just y squared minus 1. Are y'all okay? Yeah? Did you take a second real quick and get your notes out and look over those definitions real quick? The very first definitions we did. Look at the very first page, number 2. Page number 2. Page number 2. Page number 2. So the very first definition there was something like, what's a set of ordered pairs? A relation, right? And then it was like the x coordinates. What are your x coordinates? Your domain. And what about your y coordinates? Your range. And then it was something to the effect of, it's only got one x and one y. So what was that called? A function, right? Are y'all okay with those? Which guy? Sir? Is it page 1? Okay. What were the 3 rules to be linear? What were the 3 rules to be linear? No exponent other than 1. Can't have x in the bottom. Well, you can't multiply your 2 variables. Yep, you can't multiply your 2 variables. All right, what about standard form? What were the 3 rules for standard form? What was the first one? Can't have a negative in the front. What else? No fractions at all for standard form. What's the third one? Something with 3 little letters. GCF. No more GCF than what number? 1. There you go. Y'all okay? All right. Let's go over your perfect squares real quick. So what's 1 through 15? Go. 25. There you go. Keep going. Come on. 60. I know I got more than Jalen and Nathan and Wilmer in here. 81. Yeah. 21. Yeah. One more. Okay. How did you know that 225 was a perfect square? 25 times 25, right, Brayden? Bryson? So how do you get the next one after 15? 16 times 16. You got your calculators open and on and ready to go? Don't cheat and look at the cheat sheet I gave you. Let's just use our calculators. And remember that we moved this test to Thursday. How much, Bryson? 256 was 16 times 16. And the next one is 289, 17 times 17. 324 is what it should be. 16, 17. You said 17? 17 is 289. That's right. So this is 18. And what's 19? 361. Oh, is that what you were saying? This one, 361. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What's 20? 20 is easy. 400. What about 21? 441, 22? 44, 23? 529, 24? Yeah, and last one, 25. Ooh, 625. There you go. Are y'all okay? All right, clear everything off your desk. We got a quiz today. I think there's 2 of you that still have a checkpoint that you need to finish. So you'll finish that up while and then you'll take your quiz after that.